In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free annual Webflow CMS site plan as a student, a massive deal considering the CMS plan normally costs $29 per month when billed monthly. To get started, click on the first link in the description to go straight to the official Webflow website and sign up for a free account. Once you are signed up, navigate to the Webflow for Students page and click on the Apply Discount for Students option. This will take you to an application form where you need to fill in all your details. Start by providing your full name and school name. You must use your school-associated email address to apply, as this helps speed up the verification process. Next, select your primary field of study, such as computer science, UI/UX design, or entrepreneurship, and enter your expected graduation date. To prove your enrollment, you will need to upload a clear photo of your student ID or a current class schedule that shows your full name and the school logo. Finally, check the box confirming you are currently enrolled as a student and click Submit. Webflow typically takes about 5 business days to review your application. Once approved, you'll receive an email containing a unique promo code for a 100% discount on an annual CMS site plan. To redeem it, go to your project settings, choose the CMS plan, and be sure to select annual billing, as the code will not work for monthly subscriptions. Enter your code at checkout to reduce the price to $0. This free plan is perfect for building student-based projects like portfolios or personal blogs, though it cannot be used for commercial or monetized sites. So that was all. If you want to know how to get Framer Pro plans free as a student, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.